What's up, guys? So I'm back with another hair tutorial as usual. Yes, and my friend Shauna, she does my hair. She the only one that really touches my hair, do my braids, do anything. So I want to show y'all how she finesses this style. Of course, we prep my hair first. And right now, she really just braiding the back of my hair to prep for the sewing. So I got this style because I was going overseas, and I love this style because it's like perfect for the heat, and it's just so pretty. So yeah, this is her braiding the back. You guys are gonna see the base of it, and this is just, where she's gonna sew in the tracks. I did not leave my hair out in the back, and you guys gonna see what I actually do. That's gonna cover the tracks. So this is the base. You always make sure you oil it because of course it's gonna be, covered. So she does not sew that part in. I'm gonna show you, like, you guys gonna see. Now I lost footage, so I can only show the top of how she sewed the tracks in, unfortunately, but hopefully you guys know like the basics of sewing in the back of the hair. She just used the tracks, flip over the tracks. She didn't cut any tracks. I used 3 bundles though because I wanted it to be full. I used 26, 24, and 22. So as you can see, she's just basically sewing in the tracks. And like I said, towards the end, I'm going to show you guys what we do to cover the tracks because I didn't leave no hair out. I didn't want to leave my hair out at all. My hair be funny, so yeah. Hey, Tuda. That's her daughter. So right now, she basically sewed the back first. And right now, I'll probably put a little clip of how the front is. I'll probably put a picture that shows the front. So basically, that's what the style she's doing. And she's basically just, stitching the style that I want. So I'm going to just put a picture for you guys to see what the front is supposed to look like. And this is the hair she uses. I'm going to put the hair in the description box so you guys could see and know what hair I use, the exact hair I use. So right now we just adding in curls, and the curls is not humid. It's like some mixed kind of hair, but it all worked out. It all blend in. Like the back of my hair is 100% human hair bundles, because I just didn't want all that knotted up. But the hair throughout it, like the braids itself, is mixed hair. And I made her do this long, so I could say the braid probably was about a 26 inch, with 26 inches too. So right now I'm just showing you guys how she is braiding the style at the top. If you want more details on like how to exactly do the braids at the top, I just recommend, finding another YouTube video that's gonna show you exactly how to do the style. But I'm just showing like little details for you guys to see how she went in and did it. And she basically just stitched all the braids that's at the top of my hair. Duda love her mom. So yeah, this is the details of the top of the head. All right, so here we just playing around with ways to cover the tracks, and for some you can use the tracks itself and like, you know, crochet and flip the hair. But what we end up doing is just using some synthetic hair and just crocheting it. I'm gonna let y'all know in the description box what hair I use too. But just using some crochet hair, because you can see the hair is sticking out and we didn't like it. So I just went and bought some crochet hair and crocheted it. But yes, y'all, this is the finished result. She bodied this hairstyle. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm also going to leave her